guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to withdraw money from Goldman Sachs. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up or log in into your account. So click on client login and select the account type. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, you could go ahead and select withdraw. However, there are different ways of doing it but I'm going to show you some of the easiest way. When you tap on the withdraw button, then you'll be able to select the method of withdrawing, or there are types of withdrawals such as electronic transfer fund or ACH and all that. You can go ahead and select that and accordingly type in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and all that. Follow the prompt and you should be able to withdraw your money. However, if this is not a convenient way or unable to do this procedure, you could also go ahead and schedule your electronic fund transfer, that is ACH transfer, online. Give a call at a toll-free number. I'm going to leave the number on my description box below. Then it's going to access your account and you should be able to withdraw or schedule your withdrawal. So that is how you can withdraw money from Goldman Sachs. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.